Let's talk about how to choose the right coach and the specific questions to ask so you can tell whether their lessons come from living it or just learning about it. Ask yourself, how much experience do they actually have? And I don't mean years, I mean market cycles. Have they lived through both the ups and downs of multiple market cycles? The last major recession was in 2008, nearly 17 years ago. So for a coach to have gone through full cycle, they would have had to be investing back then. And to have seen what happens when the market turns, financing tightens, and you're forced to deal with challenges that test you in ways only a recession can. Because anyone can look good when the market's going up, but the real experience shows up when things get difficult. That's when you learn most about how someone thinks and how they manage risk. Look at the kind of experience they have. Do they invest in the same type of properties you're interested in? Have they owned both small and large assets? Have they actually sold properties, not just bought them? Selling is half the transaction, and going full cycle teaches lessons about markets, discipline, and timing that you can only learn through experience. Look at their experience actually using real estate to reduce taxes. A lot of high-income earners get into real estate because of the tax benefits. But has your coach personally done it? Have they qualified for real estate professional status or used the short-term rental tax strategy to offset their own active income? Teaching the concept is easy. Living it is what gives their advice real weight. Ask whether they've invested outside their local market. In other words, do they have experience with remote investing? Can they build and manage teams from a distance with property managers and partners they don't see every week? That kind of experience matters because great opportunities aren't always in your backyard. Successful investors know how to go where the numbers make sense, not just where it's convenient. Look at their values. Do they act in a way you'd be proud to model? Some coaches lead with lifestyle, the cars, the watches, the image. There's nothing wrong with success, but ask yourself, is that substance or show? When you work with a coach, you're not just learning strategy, you naturally take on some of their mindset, how they think, how they make decisions, and how they carry themselves as an investor. And finally, pay attention to their community. The people they attract say a lot about who they are. Are they surrounded by supportive, ethical, growth-minded investors who share ideas and lift each other up? Or is it more about quick wins and self-promotion? A great community feels safe. It's a space where you can ask honest questions, admit mistakes, and learn without judgment.